Yate Ianagi, good evening, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be love. Now, love is a complex word in Navajo because it has intransitive and transitive verbs. The transitive verbs have an object prefix and a subject prefix. The object prefix tells who is being loved, and the subject prefix tells who is giving love. Now, shi means me, ni means you, and him or her is either an I, a Y, or an O in these prefixes. For example, ayo aninishne, I love you. Ayo aninishne. Nitsilish, ayo inetne, do you love your little brother? Nitsilish, ayo inetne. Ayosh ashinetne, do you love me? Ayosh ashinetne. Sitsile, ayo inishne, I love my little brother. Sitsile, ayo inishne. Nadish, ayo anotne, does your older sister love you? Nadish, ayo anotne. Shade, sitsile, ayo ayotne, my older sister loves my little brother. Shade, sitsile, ayo ayotne. Sitsile, ayo ashotne, my little brother loves me. Sitsile, ayo ashotne. Now the word love in general is an intransitive verb. It doesn't say who is being loved and who is receiving love. Ayo otne. Now, some texts like the Navajo Bible have two O's in it to serve as placeholders for the object prefix and the subject prefix. Ayo o otne. But most people just say ayo otne for love. And that is today's Navajo word of the day. Ayo o otne, love. Have a nice day, good evening, and happy Valentine's Day. Ajay behini tanache, neswajonde.
All right. Ha!
Sad.
Funny.
Sad.